Hey, my name is Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on knives. Now, we review knives. I'm not an expert at all on this. Many of you are a lot more knowledgeable about this than I am. I just do it for a hobby and show what I like and what I've purchased and tell you why I like it. So, if I say something wrong, I do not mean to say anything incorrectly, but if you need to correct me in any way, leave a comment in the section below. All constructive criticism comments will be approved. So, let's get this thing going. We have the Kershaw Hotwire Walmart exclusive. There we go. One of the best $10 knives you can find. 1310 WMX, which means, I believe, Walmart exclusive. Here on the bottom, assisted opening. Whoops. Limited lifetime warranty. Here's the information on the bottom. If you want to stop the video and check this out, but I'm just going to say we have a 6.7 inch overall length, 3 inch blade length, 3 3/4 inch handle. Okay, steel C3R13 bead blasted coating. Okay, liner locks, glass filled nylon, which I believe is just fiberglass. It could be wrong. So here's the information on the bottom. If you need to pause the camera and check that out. Let's see, Kershaw USA Limited. Let's see here, designed in USA, made in China. So, it is what it is. And here is the knife itself. Almost the length of my palm with the fingers. Almost, some people call this a reverse tanto style. I don't know. Check out the design on the handle. It does have some screws, or you can take it apart for maintenance. And here on this side has the very thin pocket clip. And right here is the logo with a China. There you go. With the China right here on the bottom, and 1310 WM Walmart. Liner lock, which means it has a liner on each side of the blade with a scale on each side of the liner. And the liner, when it's fully opened, I will see if I can get a picture of that. The liner will pop open as a lock. There you go. Let's do that again. Let's do it from right. Let's do it from right here. There we go. Very easy to push and fold it back up. Pretty nice knife. I like it. Great pocket size. So, I need to carry this for a couple of weeks so I can get a review on how it functions over time. But before that, I can give this a paper test. Put it down right there. Have a sheet of copy paper from my computer printer. See how sharp this thing is. Now, I want to say this is basically straight out of the blister pack. I think I cut 2 things with it. Carried it for 1 day. See how comfortable it was in a pocket, which was no issue. So y'all see how nice. I think there's a little nick in it. A slight nick in it right up here. But that can be easily taken care of with my wicked edge sharpener. Oh, I just noticed something. The grind on the blade is uneven See if I can get a, there we go. Now see that? It's wider than this side. And the tip is a little bit less of an angle. Not much to make a difference though. Just something I noticed. Under $10 knife, great pocket knife, great for gifts, great stocking stuffer, great birthday gift, graduation gift. This would easily fit in a woman's purse or a small handbag. Check it out. Next time you go to Walmart, I don't think you'd be unhappy if you bought this. My name is Carl. Appreciate you taking your time and being with us today.